top 20 best, brilliant, and badass new AI resume and CV builders that I can guarantee will help you land your dream job faster than you ever thought possible. Yes, that's exactly what I'm going to reveal to you in this thrilling countdown now. Imagine this, you just stumbled upon the perfect job posting, your heart races, your mind sparks with excitement, but then reality sets in, the resume. That one document standing between you and your dream job. Where do you even begin? Is your resume too wordy? Does it scream outdated? And let's not even talk about the applicant tracking system, also known as ATS, which is silently tossing out application without the right keyword. But what if there was a way to eliminate all that stress? A way to turn your resume into a jaw-dropping, job-winning masterpiece in just minutes. Today, I'm uncovering 20 revolutionary AI tools that solve every resume struggle you have ever had. Terrible formatting, missing keywords, embarrassing typos, all taken care of. Oh, and did I mention, some of these tools are completely free. But here's the twist, not all AI resume builders are created equal. On this channel, Best Softwares, I uncover the best kept secrets in AI software, cutting-edge business tools, digital platforms, and incredible apps, all featured on bestsoftwares.com, the most bookmarked website for discovering the latest and greatest tools out there. Be sure to check it out after this video. Trust me, this is a video you don't want to click away from, because along the way, I will highlight free platforms and reveal a massive surprise for you won't see coming. Oh, and that last tool, trust me, it's an absolute game changer. So now when you're ready to transform your resume and your career, let's dive in. In this channel, Best Softwares, I cover the best secret AI software, business tools, digital website, platforms, and apps. Stick around because you wouldn't want to miss platform number 2 specifically. It's a total game changer. So let's dive in. Platform number 20 is Resume Genius. Headquartered in Austin, Texas, United States, Resume Genius is best for job seekers who want speed and simplicity. Resume Genius lives up to its name by turning resume building into a science. Imagine this, you are scrambling to apply for that dream job and the time is ticking, but then Resume Genius steps in, offering pre-written bullet points tailored to your industry. In under 15 minutes, you will have a professional, ATS-optimized resume ready to impress. And here's the kicker, their user-friendly interface makes it feel like a breeze. For anyone short on time and long on ambition, this tool is a game changer. The USP of Resume Genius is it's one of the fastest tools for creating a polished resume. Platform number 19 is Zeti. Headquartered in Warsaw, Poland and founded by Bartosz Rakowski, Zeti is best for creatives and professionals who want personalized design. Zeti isn't just another resume builder, it's a creative partner. Picture this, you're crafting your resume and want something unique that stands out from the cookie-cutter templates. Therefore, Zeti gives you fully customizable designs for drag-and-drop simplicity. Whether you are an artist looking for a flair or a professional seeking clean sophistication, Zeti's got you covered. Plus, their content tips are like having a personal career coach whispering advice in your ear. The USP of Zeti is its sleek templates that blend style with professionalism. Platform number 8 is My Perfect Resume. Headquartered in New York, United States, My Perfect Resume is best for perfectionists seeking resume writing assistance. My Perfect Resume is best for perfectionists seeking resume writing assistance. Let's face it, writing a resume can feel overwhelming. But what if you had a tool that practically writes it for you? Enter My Perfect Resume. It's like having a career expert guiding you step by step, offering pre-written suggestions tailored to your role. But then, here's the twist. You can tweak and refine every word until it's perfect. If you are someone who won't settle for less than flawless, then this platform is your secret weapon. The USP for My Perfect Resume is its tailored content suggestions based on your specific job title. Platform number 17 is Visual CV. Headquartered in Vancouver, Canada and founded by James Clift, Visual CV is best for professionals targeting international opportunities. Visual CV isn't just about resumes, it's about creating a lasting impression. Imagine you're applying for a position overseas and you need a resume that stands out globally. But then, Visual CV steps in, offering dynamic templates designed to impress both humans and AI. Whether it's a portfolio-style CV for designers or a sleek business resume, Visual CV ensures you are always putting your best foot forward. The USP of Visual CV is its global-friendly templates optimized for ATS systems. Platform number 16 is Resume.io. Headquartered in Amsterdam, Netherlands, Resume.io is best for job seekers who value simplicity and modern design. Resume.io takes the stress out of resume creation. Picture this, you have got an important job application but your resume feels outdated. But then, Resume.io steps in with sleek modern templates and an interface so intuitive it feels like a dream. Here's the kicker, the platform even offers matching cover letters to help you present a consistent professional image. If you're looking for something simple yet impactful, Resume.io makes the job hunt feel effortless. The USP of Resume.io is its intuitive one-click editing for resumes and cover letters. Platform number 15 is EnhanceV. Headquartered in Sofia, Bulgaria and founded founded by Volen Volkov, Enhance V is best for professionals who want to highlight their personal story. Enhance V believes your resume should be more than a list of jobs. It should tell your story. Imagine this, you're applying for a role where personality matters just as much as skills. Therefore, Enhance V offers sections like My Life Philosophy or Proudest Moments to help you stand out. And with real-time feedback and beautifully designed templates, it's not a resume, it's a conversation letter. The USP of Enhance V is its unique sections to showcase personality as well as achievement. Platform number 14 is Novo Resume. Headquartered in Copenhagen, Denmark and founded by Andre, Christian and Stephen, Novo Resume is best for professionals aiming for top-tier positions. Novo Resume combines simplicity with power, creating resume that recruiters can't ignore. Picture this, you're eyeing for a leadership role at a prestigious firm, but then Novo Resume steps in with its tailored content suggestions and modern ATS optimized designs. It's not just about looking good, it's also about making an impact. Their premium features like multiple page resumes are perfect for professionals with extensive experience. The USP of Novo Resume is its minimalistic design approach that screams sophistication. Now, before I move on to the next platform tool, there are a few things which I want to address to you specifically. Firstly, an economist has said that AI won't take your job, but people who know how to use and leverage AI will take your job sooner or later. So if you are an employee, an entrepreneur, a small business, a startup, a freelancer, a content creator, a marketer, or just a hustler or a dreamer looking to be more efficient, productive, and scalable, then this channel Best Software is just for you. Secondly, remember, in this digital age and with the dawn of AI, your business and your productivity would be built by systems, processes, and technology. And software tools and AI enables as well as empowers you and your business, and that's what exactly I'm going to cover on this channel, Best Softwares. Thirdly, I highly recommend you to check out the website bestsoftwares.com. Link is in the description and comment to take yourself or your business's productivity, efficiency, and scalability to the next level with the latest and greatest around AI software tools and platforms. Bestsoftwares.com in itself is one of the biggest directory of AI tools, apps, and business softwares on the internet. So bookmark it for the rainy day because you are going to need it, if not now, then eventually. Also, don't forget to put in your email ID for a chance to win a surprise gift hamper and one newsletter a week, because you need to be constantly updated with the latest tech out there in your specific domain. And lastly, all the resources, tools and platforms which are mentioned in this video would be in the description as well as in the comment section. Okay, now all that kept aside, let's get back. Platform number 13 is Cake Resume. Headquartered in Taipei, Taiwan and founded by Tranter Liu, Cake Resume is best for freelancers and creatives looking to showcase skills. Cake Resume isn't just a resume builder, it's a canvas for your career. Imagine this, you're a designer or freelancer and you want your resume to reflect your creativity. Therefore, Cake Resume's drag and drop builder lets you create visually engaging resumes with multimedia elements like videos and links. It's more than a document, it's a portfolio that leaves a lasting impression. Platform number 12 is Kick Resume. Headquartered in Slovakia and founded by Thomas and Peter, Kick Resume is best for students and entry-level professionals. Kick Resume is like having a mentor who knows exactly what recruiters want. Picture this, you are a recent graduate or switching careers and crafting the perfect resume feels daunting. But then, Kick Resume steps in with pre-written phrases and industry-specific templates to help you shine. With its polished designs and cover letter support, it's the perfect starting point for building your career. The USP of Kick Resume is its pre-written phrases and customization options for beginners. Platform number 11 is Razy. Headquartered in San Francisco, California, United States and founded by Jacob Jacquet, Razy is best for anyone who wants to beat application tracking systems, also known as ATS. Razy isn't just a resume builder, it's a game changer. Imagine this, you have applied to dozens of jobs, but your resume keeps getting lost in the ATS black hole. But then, Razy steps in with its AI-powered insights, tailoring your resume to match job descriptions word by word. The result? A resume that not only passes ATS checks, but lands you interviews. If you want a tool that gives you an edge in today's competitive job market, Razy should be your choice. The USP of Razy is its AI-driven customization for maximum ATS compatibility. Platform number 10 is JobScan. Headquartered in Seattle, Washington, United States and founded by James Hu, JobScan is best for job seekers aiming to optimize resumes for applicant tracking systems. JobScan is a beacon for those navigating the complexities of modern job applications. Imagine submitting a resume only to have it overlooked by automated systems. But then, JobScan's AI analyzes your resume against job descriptions, highlighting areas for improvement. improvement. This ensures your application not only reaches human eyes but also resonates with the desired qualifications. For anyone serious about job hunting, JobScan is an indispensable ally. The USP of JobScan is its AI-driven resume analysis to enhance ATS compatibility. Platform number 9 is ResumeUp.ai. Best for professionals seeking ATS-friendly resumes with a modern touch. ResumeUp.ai simplifies the daunting task of resume building. Picture this: you have very less time, but you need a resume that stands out. Therefore, ResumeUp.ai offers over 20 professional templates and personalized suggestions to ensure your resume is both visually appealing and ATS compatible. Trusted by thousands, it's a go-to for enhancing career prospects. Platform number 8 is AI Apply. Best for job seekers desiring a comprehensive AI-driven job applicant toolkit. AI Apply transforms the job search journey into a streamlined experience. Imagine having a personal assistant that crafts your resume, writes your cover letter, and preps you for interviews. But then, AI Apply's suite of AI tools does just that, tailoring each application component to the job at hand. With GDPR-compliant data security, it's a trustworthy companion in your employment quest. The USP of AI Apply is its integrated AI tools for resume building, cover letters, and interview preparation. Platform number 7 is Teal. Headquartered in San Francisco, California, United States, Teal is best for job seekers who want to streamline their entire job application process. Teal goes beyond resume building by offering a comprehensive platform for managing your entire job search. Imagine this: you are juggling multiple applications across various platforms, feeling overwhelmed by the process. Teal steps in, helping you track applications, schedule interviews, and stay organized. With its user-friendly interface and helpful features, Teal makes the job hunt more manageable and less stressful. The USP of Teal is it tracks multiple job applications and provides a pipeline for tracking the application process, offering a free plan with limited AI usage. Platform number 6 is ResumeMaker.ai. Best for job seekers who prioritize ease of use and want to generate resumes quickly. ResumeMaker.ai simplifies resume creation with its intuitive design and powerful AI features. Imagine this: you are entering your work history on your resume and the AI instantly suggests relevant keywords and phrases. ResumeMaker.ai guides you through the process, making it easy to create a professional resume in minutes. For those short on time or lacking confidence in their writing skills, ResumeMaker.ai is a valuable asset. The USP of ResumeMaker.ai is its AI-powered autofill functionality, pre-written content suggestions, and a user-friendly interface. Platform number 5 is ResumeWorded. Best for job seekers who want to leverage their existing LinkedIn profiles for resume creation. ResumeWorded leverages the power of your LinkedIn profile to streamline the resume creation process. Imagine this: you have carefully curated your LinkedIn profile, showcasing your skills and experience. ResumeWorded analyzes your profile, identifies key strengths, and generates a tailored resume that highlights your most relevant qualification. This approach saves time and ensures your resume accurately reflects your professional journey. The USP of ResumeWorded is it scores and provides a breakdown of your LinkedIn profile and adapts your resume to specific job opening. Platform number 4 is ResumeNerd. Best for job seekers who want personalized resume recommendation based on their job search. ResumeNerd goes beyond traditional resume building by providing personalized guidance throughout your job search. Imagine this: you're browsing job boards and ResumeNerd analyzes each job description, providing a matching score and suggesting relevant skills to add to your resume. With its proactive approach, ResumeNerd helps you tailor your resume to specific opportunity, increasing your chances of landing an interview. The USP of ResumeNerd is its job feed with matching scores, shortcuts to add skills from job description. Platform number 3 is Jasper. Headquartered in Austin, Texas, United States, and founded by Dave and Chris, Jasper is best for job seekers who need a comprehensive AI writing platform that includes resume building as a feature. Jasper is a powerful AI writing tool that goes beyond resume building, offering a suite of features for various writing needs. Imagine this: you need to craft a compelling cover letter to accompany your resume. Jasper helps you generate persuasive and professional content, ensuring your application stands out from the competition. With its versatile and advanced AI capabilities, Jasper is a valuable resource for anyone seeking to improve their written communication. The USP of Jasper is it generates high-quality text for various purposes, including resumes and cover letters, offering a wide range of templates and customization options. Platform number 2 is Writersonic. Founded by Samanyu Garg, Writersonic is best for job seekers who want a versatile AI writing tool with strong resume building capabilities. Writersonic is another versatile AI writing platform that excels at generating high quality resumes and cover letters. Imagine this, you're applying for a variety of roles, each requiring a slightly different tone and focus. Writersonic allows you to easily adjust the writing style and tone, ensuring your application is perfectly tailored to each specific opportunity. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, Writersonic empowers you to create impactful job application materials that leave a lasting impression. The USP of Writersonic is it creates professional resumes and cover letters, offers various writing modes and tone options, and integrates with other job search tools.
This video is sponsored by DCM, an acronym for digitalchannelmarketing.com, one of the best and economical digital marketing agency you will find for your business. Digitalchannelmarketing.com helps you to publish your personal or professional brand on 400 plus news sites including Forbes, Yahoo, Business Insider and much more at the best prices possible. You can also buy relevant followers, subscribers, likes, shares for your social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, etc. From 10,000 followers to 100,000 followers for your Instagram. Also, from getting your YouTube monetized with 4,000 watch hours to 1,000 subscribers, you can actually purchase more than 100,000 subscribers for your YouTube channel, to 100,000 followers for your TikTok or for your Facebook page likes and much more. DCM is very reliable. Another flagship service is gifting a website to your loved ones on special occasions, or other website services like resume websites, portfolio websites, business websites and more. They also have marketing services like search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media, graphic design, content and copywriting and more. They also have a unique service called website traffic services which will help you to get more traffic on your website, and these are relevant traffic. Or you can also get their service which is video as a service, like you can get your monthly video editing for your YouTube, for your TikTok, Instagram and more. Check out their website to start, build and grow your influence and business with digitalchannelmarketing.com. Go ahead and channelize your digital marketing with Digital Channel Marketing or DCM. In fact, if you want to start your own business, then highly recommend to check out their partners page which will give you all the information to start your own business today.
Platform number 1 is Writer. Headquartered in San Francisco, California, United States, Writer is best for individuals seeking versatile AI writing assistance, including cover letters. Writer is more than a writing tool. It's your creative co-pilot. Envision needing a compelling cover letter that mirrors the tone of a prospective employer. Therefore, Writer's AI crafts personalized cover letter as well as resume and CV, ensuring your application speaks directly to the company's ethos. Its multilingual support broadens your horizons, making it a versatile asset in any job market as such. The USP of Writer is its AI-generated content adaptable to various professional tones and languages. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel by Softwares, and I can't reiterate more, yet definitely and highly recommended to go and visit the website bestsoftwares.com now. Link is in the description and comment. This will sound redundant, but this one website will take you and your business productivity, efficiency and scalability to the next level with the latest and greatest around secret AI software, business tools and digital websites, platforms and apps. If you put in your email ID, I will also send you the list of the top 100 secret AI tools in the PDF to your inbox right now. Also, as mentioned earlier, AI won't take your job, but someone who uses and leverages AI in their day-to-day personal as well as professional life for more productivity in mind. So rather than being anyone, be that someone, and this is applicable if you are an employee, a student, a content creator, a marketer, a freelancer, an entrepreneur, a small business, a startup, a hustler, or just someone looking to be more productive, looking to be more efficient, and looking to be more empowered. This channel, Best Softwares, is meant just for you. In this digital age and with the dawn of AI, your business and your productivity would be built by systems, processes, as well as technology. And software tools and AI are the major chunk of it. And that's what exactly I cover on this channel, Best Softwares. So don't let somebody, in fact anybody out there, to replace you. Be relentless and start using technology and AI today. If you want to know the latest secret AI software, business tools and digital website, platforms and apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let's try to break the algorithm. Also, click the bell icon below on this video to get notified whenever I drop a new technology video just for you, because you need to be updated in this ever-changing dynamics and realm of AI and technology. Here are a few more videos just for you. All the resources and links mentioned in this video would be in the description as well as in the comment section. Join our community of achievers and stay ahead of the curve by subscribing to bestsoftwares.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.